In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account in Google Play Games. By the end, you will know how to set a default gaming profile for your device and how to switch the profile that a specific game uses. This is especially helpful if you keep personal and work accounts separate, or if different family members play on the same phone or tablet. First, let's set your default profile for gaming across your device. Start by opening your device's main settings. Scroll and tap Google. Then choose All Services. Keep scrolling until you see Settings for Google Apps and select Play Games. On this screen, look for Current Account. Tap the small drop-down arrow next to it. You'll see the Google accounts that are already on your device. Pick the one you want to use as your default for gaming. If the account you want isn't listed, choose Add Another Account and sign in. As soon as you select or add an account, your choice saves automatically. Here is nothing else you need to confirm. From now on, new games and general Play Games activity will use this default profile. Now, if you want to change the profile used for a specific game, you can do that from within the Play Games app itself. Open the Play Games app. In the top corner, tap the three vertical dots to open the menu. Then select Settings. Just like before, you'll see Current Account. Tap the drop-down arrow and pick a different account, or add another account if needed. This lets you use a different profile for games that support it without changing your overall device default. Keep in mind, not every game will switch away from your default. Many do, but some titles have their own in-game account systems or require you to relaunch the game for the change to take effect. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure the accounts you plan to use are already added to your device. That way they will appear in the list right away. Your achievements, cloud saves, and leaderboards are tied to the account you choose. So selecting the right one ensures you see the correct progress. If you don't immediately see the account switch reflected in a game, close and reopen the game, then check again. That's it. Thanks for watching.